Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and remove 4 7.5mm screws and 6 6mm screws from the bottom cover and bottom cover panel. Pop the bottom cover panel free. And use the spudger to also pop the battery plug panel free. Slide the locking clip open and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove 4 5mm screws from inside the bottom cover panel. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the Palmrest cable from the motherboard. Peel off the foam covering. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the world-facing camera cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the microphone cable from the motherboard. Gently pull up to pop the Wi-Fi antennas free from the motherboard. Flip the unit back over, open it up. Gently insert the spudger between the Palmrest and the bottom cover and slide along the edges to pop the Palmrest free. Lift the Palmrest partway up. Peel back the tape and pull the touchpad cable free from its slot. Peel back the tape on the touchpad. And remove 3 2mm screws from the touchpad. Lift the Palmrest partway up and slide the touchpad free to remove. Slide the touchpad back into place. And replace the 3 2mm screws. Reapply the tape and put any cables back in place. Replace the Palmrest. Feed the world-facing camera and microphone cables back through their slots. Feed the touchpad cable back through its slot and reapply the tape. And lastly, feed the Palmrest cable back into its slot as you lower the Palmrest. You can now lay the Palmrest down and push down to snap it back into place. Close the unit, flip it back over, and replace the 4 5mm screws inside the bottom cover panel. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the Palmrest cable back into the motherboard. Gently push down to plug the Wi-Fi antennas back into the motherboard. Plug the world-facing camera cable back into the motherboard. Plug the microphone cable back into the motherboard. Replace the foam covering. Plug the battery back into the motherboard and slide the locking clip closed. Replace the battery plug panel and replace the bottom cover panel. Replace the 4 7.5mm screws and 6 6mm screws into the bottom cover and bottom cover panel.